Paid per click rewards. Earn directly through the Share and Earn feature right from your dashboard. Turn everyday engagement into a consistent earning opportunity within the ecosystem. Share your referral link across the web, social media sites, websites, or direct messaging. Every click on your link generates rewards, turning your reach into real value. The more visibility you create, the more opportunities you unlock for earnings. Each unique click earns approximately 20 cents in PIF tokens, with the value dynamically adjusted based on token market activity. All earnings are tracked in real time within your dashboard for full transparency. This ensures a fair, performance-based model that scales with both your activity and platform growth. Access your rewards under earnings streams in your dashboard. Redeem your tokens for withdrawal. Simple actions like sharing a link can generate meaningful value, not just for you, but for the entire ecosystem throughout our pay it forward model. Every interaction contributes to a system designed to reward participation and circulate value back to the community. And, you guessed it, all paid per click transactions are fully visible within your pay information section. Every reward is recorded transparently and verifiable on-chain. This ensures complete trust, accountability, and real-time visibility for every user interaction.